Hello students, let us start with the new topic of your NCERT textbook after exercise 2.2. Hope so you had completed the homework of exercise 2.2. एक्सरसाइज 2.2 आपने नोटबुक में भी कंप्लीट कर ली होगी और उसके बाद का जो 12 सम्स का होमवर्क दिया था वो भी आपने कंप्लीट किया होगा और and I wish that there is no doubt in your homework sum. If there is any doubt, you can ask me anytime. अब सब लोग घर पे फ्री रहते होंगे ज्यादा टाइम और मैं भी यहाँ पे फ्री रहता हूँ, आप सबको मालूम है। तो हर एक टाइम ये मोबाइल में गेम खेलकर जो टाइम स्पेंड करना होता है वो अच्छी बात नहीं है। आपको ये चैप्टर का इम्पोर्टेंस थोड़ा बहुत आज मैं बताना चाहता हूँ विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू बोर्ड एग्जाम। अब मैंने आपको बताया नहीं है पहले, ये चैप्टर का वेटेज पूरे मैथ्स के सिलेबस में सबसे ज्यादा है। मैथ्स के सिलेबस में टेक्स्ट बुक में आपको मालूम होगा कि 15 चैप्टर्स है 10th स्टैंडर्ड में। Out of 15 chapters, this chapter has the highest weightage compared to the other 14 chapters. The weightage of this chapter in your board exam is 8 marks. How much? 8 marks. All other chapters are having weightage of 4 and 6 marks. But this is the only chapter in your syllabus having the highest weightage. So hope so you will pay attention in the next and the last topic of this chapter. I hope that and I wish that हमने पहले जो वीडियोस बनाए वो आप फिर से एक वक्त रिवाइज कर लो, क्योंकि अब मैंने ये चैप्टर का आपको इम्पोर्टेंस समझाया तो आपको पता चल गया होगा कि 8 मार्क्स बहुत ज्यादा होते हैं एंड देयर इज नथिंग इन दिस चैप्टर। इस चैप्टर में कुछ भी हार्ड नहीं है, पूरा का पूरा जो है वो पूरा चैप्टर जो है वो इजी ही है। अंडरस्टूड? सो अगेन आई विश दैट कि हमने जो कोई भी वीडियोस बनाए हैं वो आप फिर से एक बार रिवाइज कर लो एंड नाउ पे अटेंशन इन द लास्ट टॉपिक ऑफ दिस चैप्टर एंड दिस इज आई थिंक आवर 5th वीडियो ऑफ दिस चैप्टर, राइट? सो लेट अस स्टार्ट आवर न्यू टॉपिक, that is division algorithm for polynomials. Again this topic you had studied already in the 9th standard. आपने ये टॉपिक 9th स्टैंडर्ड में जो है वो पढ़ ही चुका है, लेकिन अगेन we will revise it, again we will revise in detail. हम ऐसे ही मानकर चलेंगे कि हमने आगे कुछ पढ़ा ही नहीं है, पहली बार जैसे पढ़ते हैं वैसे ही दूसरी बार भी हम इस बार भी पढ़ेंगे। अगेन इसमें भी एक्सरसाइज 2.3 है एनसीईआरटी फोल्डर की, ये भी मैं करवाऊंगा और उसके बाद के होमवर्क सम ट्रायल सम्स जो है वो भी आपको मिलेंगे। अंडरस्टूड? सो लेट अस स्टार्ट एंड ये जो दो सम्स मैंने बोर्ड पे करके रखे हैं दैट आर योर एनसीईआरटी टेक्स्ट बुक एग्जांपल, सॉल्व्ड एग्जांपल जो होते हैं ना वही दोनों एग्जांपल है और आगे भी एक और एग्जांपल है। Total three examples are there. So third example we will complete it after completing these two examples. So pay attention here how to do this division algorithm. So your first example under this topic is 2x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. इसका इसके साथ डिवीजन करना है। सो हाउ वी विल डिवाइड इट? यू नो ओनली द बिगर पॉलिनोमियल, हाईएस्ट पावर पॉलिनोमियल जो है दैट विल कम इनसाइड एंड दिस विल बी योर टर्म आउटसाइड द डिवीजन। सो हाउ वी विल डिवाइड इट? 9th स्टैंडर्ड में हमने पढ़ा था 2x स्क्वायर को x के साथ डिवाइड करेंगे, यहाँ पे अंडरलाइन किया है, अंडरलाइन वाले टर्म्स डिवाइड करने हैं। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल स्टार्ट डिवाइडिंग 2x स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय x। 2x स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय x, यहाँ पे मैंने डिवाइड किया है 2x स्क्वायर का मीनिंग क्या होता है? 2 into x divided by x. So here x and x will cancel. Answer will be 2 multiplied by x, that is 2x. So 2x will go in question. 2x will go in question. 2x we have to write in question. 2x कहां से आया? डिवाइड किया इसलिए. So यहाँ पे 2x लिख दिया. After writing 2x here, we will start multiplying this both terms one after the another with 2x. So first of all we will multiply with x. If x is multiplied with 2x, what answer we will get? 2x square plus plus plus. So sign will be plus, and x multiplied by 2x, it will be 2x square. Now this plus 2 will multiply with 2x. So plus plus plus. 2 2s are 4 into x, it means 4x. Now compulsory in each step we have to change the sign of all the terms present here. Of all the terms present here, we have to change the sign. So plus will convert into minus, plus will convert into minus, and minus will convert into plus. But here both plus are there, so both will be minus. 2x square minus 2x square. So it will cancel. Cancel हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे 0 आ जाएगा. No need to write 0. Next, plus 3x and minus 4x. Now you have to consider the sign of 4x minus, not plus. अब आपको 4x की साइन प्लस है ही नहीं ऐसा मानना है. 4x की कौन सी साइन है? माइनस की. प्लस है ही नहीं. सो प्लस 3 माइनस 4. एडिशन सब्सट्रैक्शन तो सबको आता ही होगा. प्लस 3 माइनस 4 का आंसर क्या आता है? माइनस 1. नो नीड टू राइट माइनस 1. 1 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. माइनस साइन तो लिखनी पड़ेगी बिकॉज बिगर नंबर इज 4. Bigger number is 4 and the sign of 4 is minus. So answer is minus 1x. It means only x, and plus 1 will come downside. Understood? ये सम ऐसे ही धीरे धीरे करने हैं शुरुआत में. After practicing certain sums, you can go in a speed. But in starting, you have to do the sum in this manner only, slowly. So now minus x should be divided with x according to the rule. So here also I have divided minus x divided by x. X and x will cancel. X ones are x. Minus 1 is your answer. That answer you have to write here in question. So I had written here minus 1. Now I will start multiplying x plus 2 with minus 1. One after the another. First of all, we will multiply x with minus 1. Then it will be x into minus 1. So minus x plus minus minus. Again second time. Plus minus minus. 2 1s are 2. Understood? Change the sign. Change the sign. First term will always cancel. First term will always cancel. Plus 1. As I had told before, what should be the sign of 2? Minus or plus? Plus. You have to forget that the minus sign is there. So plus 1 and plus 2. What is your answer? Plus 3. Plus 1 plus 2. It means 1 plus 2. Answer is plus 3. And your question has been solved in that. What question you get? Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T. What question you get? 2x minus 1. यहाँ पे जो आता है उसको हम क्वेश्चन बोलते हैं. एंड लास्ट में जो आता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? रिमाइंडर. सो रिमाइंडर मींस r of x, क्वेश्चन मींस q of x. सो q of x is 2x minus 1 and remainder is plus 3. This is your required answer. आप कोई भी चीज का डिवीजन करोगे तो आपको दो चीज आएगी ऑब्वियसली, एक आएगा क्वेश्चन, एक आएगा रिमाइंडर. सो डिवाइड बोला गया है. Whenever it is asked that divide this thing by this thing, you have to find two things. One is quotient and one is remainder. Understood? Again we will revise this sum second time and then we will move towards the second sum. 2x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. First term will be divided by the first term, so 2x square divided by x. 2x square, it means 2 into x into x. x square है तो x square दो बार आएगा ना, so 2 into x divided by x. x will cancel. What is your answer? 2 into x, it means 2x. So 2x will be there in question. Now after dividing first term by first term, whatever the answer is coming, that you have to put in question. After putting in question, you have to start multiplying the terms here with question one by one. So first of all, we will multiply x, obviously. X multiplied by 2x, our answer is 2x square. Both are positive, the sign is also positive. Next, plus 2 into 2x, it means 4x. Now we have to change the sign. First term will always cancel. कोई भी sum हो, whatever the sum may be, first term will always cancel. So this plus 2x square minus 2x square cancel. Plus 3x minus 4x plus 3x minus 4x plus 3 minus 4. You know that the 4 is bigger and the sign is minus, so here also minus sign will come. So 3 minus 4, answer is minus 1. No need to write 1 here, so directly we have written minus x and plus 1 will come downside. Again we have to divide first term with first term, so minus x divided by x. X cancel, x ones are x, so 1 into minus 1, it means minus 1. So I have written here minus 1. Now after writing in the question, we know that we have to multiply both term with minus 1. So first of all, x multiply with minus 1, so plus minus minus, x ones are x. Next, plus minus minus, 2 ones are 2. Change the sign. You have to change the sign compulsory, otherwise you will not get the answer, and if you get the answer, it will be wrong only. So my first term always cancel, so minus x plus x cancel, plus 1 and plus 2. Now you have to consider the sign of 2, that is plus. So plus 1 plus 2, that is plus 3, and your answer for the even division is, quotient is 2x minus 1 and remainder is plus 3, or you may write only 3. Only 3 लिखो तब भी चलेगा, no need to write plus sign. So your answer of remainder is 3 and your answer of quotient is 2x minus 1. Let us move towards the second sum. Copy down this sum afterwards. Second sum, 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 divided by 1 plus 2x plus x square. Now here one thing, you have to arrange the terms according to the power. You have to arrange the terms according to the power in the decreasing order. It means the highest power term will come first and then after the others. So यहाँ पे तो arrange किया हुआ रेडीमेड दिया ही है. First term is of the power of 3, second term 2 power का, third term 1 power का, and last term is constant term. But यहाँ पे, here you can see that the terms are not arranged. Why? The first term is constant. Second term is of power 1 and the third term is of power 2. How it is possible? So we have to convert into the order. So that's why this term is written inside and you have to divide by this term, so this term will come outside. But while writing outside, I had arranged the terms. Highest power first, then 2x, then 1. Understood? X square plus 2x plus 1. Remember this thing, that you have to arrange the terms. In exam, this type of sums are only asking in 3 marks, and the students are confused that how to divide. Simply you have to arrange the terms. This much only is the twisted thing they are giving in the exam. So now let us start with the answer. First term divided by first term. So 3x cube divided by x square. Whatever the answer will come, we will write in question. So let us divide first term with first term. 3x cube means x is multiplied with itself 3 times. So I had written here x multiplied by x multiplied by x divided by x square. So x 2 times. Now here you know that 2x will cancel. What is your required answer? 3 into x, it means 3x. So I had written here 3x. Whatever the answer of division will come, we will write in question, right? So I had written here 3x. After writing in question, we will start multiplying this all the 3 terms one after the another with 3x. So let us start multiplying. X square multiply with 3x. Answer is 3x cube. X square multiply with 3x here. X square multiply with 3x. So 3 and x 3 times. So it means 3x cube. Both are positive. The sign is also positive. Next, plus 2 multiply with 3. First of all, numbers are multiplied. So 2 multiply with 3. Answer is 6. X multiply with x. X square. Understood? So answer is plus 6x square. Next, third term. Plus. 1 3s are 3 and x, the x itself. In short, 3x multiply with 1. Anything multiply with 1, answer is itself only. So 3x multiply by 1, answer is 3x. Now, you have to change the sign. You know only, so we had changed the sign here. First term will always cancel in all the sums. So 3x cube cancel. Plus, if nothing is there, then here it will be 1. So plus 1 and minus 6. Addition, subtraction, the 9. Plus 1 minus 6. As the 6 is bigger and its sign is minus, so here also minus will come. And 6 minus 1, answer will be 5. So your answer is minus 5x square. 6 bigger है तो उसकी sign आएगी. So minus 5x square. Here also 3 is bigger and the sign of 3 is minus. So therefore 2 minus 3, answer is minus 1x. Understood? So minus 5x square is the answer of this thing, and minus 1x. No need to write 1. So we are simply writing minus x is the answer of this thing, and plus 5 will come downside. So plus 5. Understood? Now again we have to divide first term with first term. Minus 5x square is divided with x square. Minus 5x square means x 2 times divided by x square means x 2 times. Here x and x are cancelled. Minus 5 will remain, so minus 5. This minus 5 we will write in question. This minus 5 we will write in question. Now what we will do? We will start multiplying these 3 terms with minus 5. क्योंकि 3x के साथ तो हमने मल्टीप्लाई पहले ही कर लिया था ना, इसलिए तो यहाँ पे आएगा. So now we have to multiply all the 3 terms with minus 5. So let us start multiplying with minus 5. So first plus minus x square into 5. It means minus 5x square. Plus minus and x square into 5x square, it means minus 5x square. Next, plus minus, first of all number is multiplied, 2 multiplied by 5. 2 multiplied by 5 means 10, and 10 multiplied with x, so it means 10x. Plus minus, 2x into 5 means 10x. Plus minus, 5 multiplied by 1. Anything multiplied by 1, answer is itself only. So plus minus, 5 is 5. Now first term will cancel. Before cancelling, you have to change the sign. So here see that all three plus were there, it become minus. Here all three minus are there, it will become plus. Minus will become plus, plus will become minus. After converting the sign, first term is cancelled. Next, minus 1x. If nothing is there, here it will be 1. So minus 1x and plus 10x. Now here you can see that the 10 is bigger number and its sign is plus. So here also plus will come. And 10 minus 1 आंसर is 9. एडिशन सब्सट्रैक्शन करना है, यहाँ पे सब्सट्रैक्शन किया हमने, प्लस 10 minus 1, 10 minus 1 आंसर is 9, positive 9 plus 9, so 9x, and both are plus 5 and plus 5. Here you have to consider the sign plus of 5, so plus 5 answer is plus 10. Understood? So question is 3x minus 5 and remainder is 9x plus 10. Understood? Let us revise it second time. This is your question. This thing you have to divide by this thing. So this will come inside and this will come outside. First term divided by first term, 3x cube divided by x square. Whatever the answer is there, that you have to write in question. Now you have to start multiplying all the three terms with the whatever you had put it in question. आपने क्वेश्चन में जो यहाँ पे पुट किया है उसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना शुरू कर देना है. We will start multiplying these three terms with 3x. So first of all, x square multiply with 3x, it will be plus 3x cube plus 2x multiply by 3x, it will be plus 6x square plus 1 multiply by 3x, so it will be 3x. Here we have to change the sign, so minus, first term will always cancel, plus 1 minus 6, so answer is minus 5x square, plus 2 minus 3, so answer is minus 1. So here I am writing only minus x and plus 5 will come downside. Again here first term is divided by first term. Minus 5x square divided by x square, so answer is only minus 5. This minus 5 we have written in question. Now we will start multiplying all these three terms with minus 5. So x square multiply with minus 5, so that is minus 5x square plus minus x square multiply by 5x square plus minus 2 multiplied by 5, 10 into x, so minus 10x plus minus 1 5 is 5. Change the sign first of all, then cut the first term. Minus 1 plus 10, it means plus 9x. Minus 1 plus 10, it means plus 9x. Plus 5, it means plus 10. So your required answer of this question is, in that quotient will be 3x minus 5 and remainder will be 9x plus 10. Hope so you had understood this both the sums. You have to copy down this both the sums in your notebook. Understood? Now we will start with the third sum. Now let us start with the थर्ड सम. ये मैंने ऑलरेडी करके नहीं रखा है. We will understand and we will do the sum. So what is our question of the third sum? Divide 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 minus x square. This thing you have to divide by this thing. As I had told you earlier that you have to arrange the term according to the power in decreasing order. It means highest power should come first. Here also highest power should come first with sign. Sign के साथ आपको अरेंज करना है. So यहाँ पे minus x cube आगे आएगा, it will come on the first because it has the highest power. So we are writing here minus x cube. Okay, after cube which term will come of the power 2? 2 पावर वाला कौन सा टर्म है? 3x स्क्वायर विथ साइन, इसकी साइन कुछ नहीं होगी तो क्या होगी? प्लस. सो आई विल राइट हियर प्लस 3x स्क्वायर. नेक्स्ट, आफ्टर 2 पावर द टर्म विल कम ऑफ 1 पावर. 1 पावर वाला टर्म कौन सा है? -3x. एंड आफ्टरवर्ड्स एट लास्ट constant term, that is plus 5. Now we will divide it by this thing. Here also the terms are not arranged, so we have to arrange the term. First term will be of the highest power. Highest power is 2. The term is minus x square. Sign के साथ आपको आगे लेना है. So here I am writing minus x square. Afterwards 1 पावर वाला टर्म, 1 पावर वाला टर्म कौन सा है? Only x. The sign will be plus. So plus x and at last constant term with sign, that is minus 1. Now you have to start dividing first term with first term. So minus x cube divide with minus x square. So minus x cube means x into x divided by also minus x square. So x into x. Understood? First of all, here minus and minus will cancel and x will be cancelled. What is your answer remaining? Only x, because minus and minus sign are cancelled. So here what will be the answer? Just x. If I write here x, after writing, what we have to do? We have to multiply all the 3 terms with quotient. Understood? So let us start multiplying. Minus x square multiply with x. So first of all, minus plus minus x square multiply with x, it will be x cube. Next term, plus 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 x multiply with x square, nothing will be there, so here it will be 1 minus plus minus 1 multiply with x, so only x. If you want to write, you can write here 1. First of all, change the sign. Minus will become plus, plus will become minus, minus will become plus. So first term will always cancel. So this term is cancelled. Plus 3 minus 1, nothing is there, then we will take 1. So plus 3 minus 1, plus 3 minus 1 क्या आता है? Correct, plus 2. 3 minus 1 cancel. Plus 2 आएगा because 3 is bigger and its sign is plus. So 2x square minus and plus. Here it is minus 3, here it is plus 1. 3 is bigger and its sign is minus, so here it will come minus 3 minus 1. Answer is 2. But as the sign of 3 is bigger, so we will write here minus 2x. And this 5 will come downside, so it will become plus 5. Understood? Now we will divide first term with first term. What is here? Plus 2x square. So here I am writing plus 2x into x divided by minus x square. Okay, so minus x square means x into x. X and x will be cancelled. Now here minus sign is remaining and in numerator it is plus 2. So this minus sign from denominator will jump to numerator and it will be minus 2 plus 2 divided by, if nothing is there here, it will be 1. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं होगा, क्या होगा? 1 होगा. Everything is cancelled. x cancel, x 1 जा x. So plus 2 divided by minus 1, क्या आंसर आता है? minus 2. 1 2s are 2 and this minus sign will jump to the numerator. So here the answer is -2. So -2 we will write here in the -2 here we will write in the question. So if you divide plus 2x square by minus x square, answer is -2. Understood? So let us continue the sum. Now we will start multiplying all the three terms with -2. Correct. So minus x square multiplied with -2. Minus plus x square into 2. It means 2x square plus minus x into 2. So 2x minus plus 1 2s are 2. Change the sign, minus plus, and here it will be minus. First term will be always cancelled. So here I am cancelling first term. But here second term is also cancelled. Here you can see that minus 2x and it is plus 2x. एक माइनस 2x है, दूसरा जो है वो प्लस 2x है, तो यहाँ पे ये दूसरा टर्म भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा. ये माइनस 2x था, ये प्लस 2x है, तो ये ऑब्वियसली कैंसिल हो जाएगा. माइनस 2x प्लस 2x इट विल बी 0 एंड हियर प्लस 5 minus 2 plus 5 minus 2, simply 5 minus 2, answer is plus 3, or you can write just 3. Understood? Again we will revise this sum. First of all we will arrange the terms. So minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. Here also we will arrange the terms. So minus x square plus x minus 1. साइन के साथ अरेंजमेंट करना है. फर्स्ट टर्म डिवाइडेड बाय फर्स्ट टर्म, माइनस एक्स क्यूब डिवाइडेड बाय माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. माइनस and minus sign are cancelled. X and x are cancelled. Only x is remaining. So positive x, it means only x. Now we will multiply all these three terms with x. Minus x square, minus plus minus, x square into x cube. Plus, x into x square. Minus plus minus, 1 into x. Change the sign. First term always cancelled. Plus 3 minus 1, so it means plus 2x square. Minus 3 plus 1. 3 is bigger and its sign is minus, so here also it will be minus. And 3 minus 1, answer is 2x. Plus 5 will come downside. Now plus 2x square divided by minus x square. X cancel. Plus 2 divided by minus 1. So it means this sign of minus will jump to the numerator, it will become minus 2. So here I am writing minus 2. Now we will multiply all these three terms with minus 2. So minus plus. First of all you have to take the sign. X square multiply 2. So 2x square. Plus minus. X into 2. So 2x. Minus plus 1 2s are 2. Now we will change the sign. Plus will become minus will become plus will become minus. First term cancel always, because plus 2x square minus 2x square it will be 0. But here in this sum, second term is also cancelled. So minus 2x plus 2x is cancelled. And 5 minus 2, answer is 3. And at last you have to write your answer that q of x, it means question is x minus 2, and r of x, it means remainder is 3. You have to make a bracket here and put here answer. Understood? You can see that how easily I had done the sum. No need to confuse. अपने आप को कंफ्यूज नहीं करना है, इजीली सम करते जाना है, बट स्लोली करना है. आप देखते हो कि मेरी इतनी प्रैक्टिस है तब भी मैं इतना स्लोली करता हूँ. If you do the sum slowly, then also it will take hardly 5 minutes. कोई भी सम 5 मिनट से ज्यादा नहीं लगेगा डिवीजन, और कहीं पे भी मिस्टेक भी नहीं होगी। ऐसे बोलते जाना है, साइन चेंज करना है, दिस टर्म मल्टीप्लाई विद दिस टर्म डिवाइड विद दिस टर्म। मैं जैसे बोलते जाता हूँ वैसे आपको भी मेरी तरह प्रैक्टिस करते जाना और बोलते जाना, तभी हर एक सम का आंसर करेक्ट आएगा। दूसरा जो बंदा जो है वो 3 मिनट में कंप्लीट करता है, तुम जो हो 5 मिनट में कंप्लीट करते हो। बट देयर आर चांसेस दैट द स्टूडेंट डूइंग द सम इन 3 मिनट्स विल डू ए मिस्टेक, उसमें चांसेस है, प्रोबेबिलिटी है। बट इफ यू डू द सम इन दिस स्टेडी मैनर, स्लो एंड स्टेडी, ये मैनर में आप सम करते हो, तो obviously you will get correct answer only, and there are no chances of mistake. The probability of the mistake will be 0. Understood? And there is one proverb also, a कहावत भी है, and I strongly believe that proverb, that is, slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. So you have to follow that proverb and continue each and every sum in mathematics. So this was your last example based on your NCERT textbook. ये NCERT textbook का ये method का last example था. Now in the next 6th lecture, in the 6th video of this chapter, we will start with the NCERT exercise 2.3. In that we will divide this type of sums. उसमें भी इस तरह के division ही है. Understood? But still we will complete all the sums of exercise 2.3 on board in the 6th video. Hope so it will be completed in 6th video. If it is not completed, we will move towards the 7th video, and afterwards we will give the homework sums based on the exercise 2.3. Hope so you had understood this third sum, and in the next video we will start the NCERT exercise 2.3. Thank you.